Hello everyone, welcome back to the another interesting maths class. In this class you will learn to convert the units of measurement. For this everyone will say to learn these relations. But sometimes we forget these relations of the measurement while doing conversion. In that case we should have a lifeline. So the lifeline is कहाँ है दोस्त मेरा दोस्त से मिलो. In exams, when you feel difficulty in any question, to whom do you ask? Of course, your friend. So this time also we are asking for the friend, but not for cheating, just for helping you. Now let us understand how we will use this lifeline, this mnemonic, to find the conversion. Here, kaha, this is starting from K. So write K here. K stands for kilo. Next is kaha hai. Hai is starting from H. H stands for hecto. Next, dost, D. D stands for deca. Next, mera is starting from M. M stands for meter. Now again dost, D stands for deci. Now the next say. The sound of say is also similar to the centi. So this is centi, C. Last is milo, which is similar to the milli. So this will represent milli and we will write it as M. Now mid value, this M is changeable. In case of length, we will use M here, that means meter. In case of weight, we will use G here, that means gram. In case of capacity, which are in the form of liquid, we will use L here, that means liter. Here students, one more thing in this mnemonic, D is occurring 2 times. So you need to differentiate it. First D, you will represent it as DA and read it as deca. Second D, you will represent it as D and its meaning is deci. Here M is also occurring 2 times. Middle one is meter and the last one is milli because this is similar to the milo. Now if the middle unit is meter, that means it is for length. Then you will adjoin this meter to the remaining units. It will become km, kilometer. Next hm, hectometer. Next dam, decameter. Middle one is meter. Next dm, decimeter. Then cm, centimeter. Last one is mm, millimeter. Similarly, if the middle term is or the basic unit is liter, then you will adjoin the liter to the remaining units like kl, kiloliter, hl, hectoliter, dal, decaliter. Middle term is liter, dl, deciliter, cl, centiliter, ml, milliliter. Similarly, if the middle term is gram, G, you will adjoin G to the remaining units like kg, kilogram, hg, hectogram, dag, decagram. Middle term is gram, dg, decigram, cg, centigram, mg, milligram. If in this sequence we move in the forward direction, we will multiply, and in case of backward direction, we will divide. Now let's learn with some examples how you will use these mnemonics in the question. So let's start. So in first question they are asking to convert 4.8 hectogram to the centigram. To convert this hectogram into the centigram, you need to know the relation between them. आपको पता होना चाहिए 1 हेक्टोग्राम में कितने सेंटीग्राम होते हैं, तभी आप फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं 4.8 हेक्टोग्राम का. सो 1 हेक्टोग्राम इज इक्वल्स टू फाइंड हाउ मेनी सेंटीग्राम यू विल यूज द न्यूमोनिक कहाँ है दोस्त मेरा दोस्त से मिलो. Gram is common on both the sides. So remove this middle meter and replace it by the gram. Now this will become kilogram, hectogram. This is DA, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. You are on hectogram. Now this value is on hectogram. Hectogram में given है. Hectogram is here. And you want to convert it into the centigram. So where is centigram? Here. So you will move this to this place. Clear? You are moving forward. Forward में क्या बताया था? You will multiply. With which number you will multiply? From this place you are starting. So write 1 here. 0, 0, 0, 0. So you will multiply by 10,000. It means 1 hectogram is 10,000 centigram. You are asking for 4.8 hectogram. As I said, there is multiplication sign, so you will multiply this 4.8 by the 10,000, and now it will become centigram. In decimals, in previous class you have learned when you multiply by the power of 10, this is the power of 10, what do you use? Mr. DL, multiplication में MR. If multiply कर रहे हैं then your decimal will shift to the right place. कितने right places shift होगा? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 right places. 1 place, 2 place, 3 place, 4 place. 4 right places we have shifted. So what is your answer now? 48000 point. And if decimal is at the end, it doesn't have any value, so you can remove it. So what is your answer? Your answer is 48,000 centigram. Clear? Next is 4.59 decameter. DAM means decameter to the meter. To convert this 4.59 decameter into the meter, first you should know the value of 1 decameter in terms of meter. Clear? So call your friend. कहाँ है दोस्त मेरा, दोस्त से मिलो. This is DA. किलोमीटर, हेक्टोमीटर, डेकामीटर, मीटर, डेसीमीटर, सेंटीमीटर, millimeter. You are on decameter because this number is given in decameter here, and you want to convert it into the meter. So move to the meter. Meter is here. This is millimeter, mm, right? So you will move here. You are moving forward. So multiply with which number? 1, 0. Clear? So multiply by 10. So from here this is clear that 1 decameter is equals to 10 meter. Now 4.59 decameter is equals to 4.59 multiplied by 10. Now your answer will be in meters. Clear? Mr. DL, you are multiplying by the power of 10. So shift the decimal to the right place. How many places? You have only 1 0 here. So shift only 1 place. Your decimal will shift to this place now. So what is your answer? 45.9 meters. Simple. Next one, kilogram to hectogram. You can easily convert kilogram to gram because everyone knows that 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. But for hectogram, you can get confused what is the relation between them. So write here 1 kilogram. Call your friend. कहाँ है दोस्त मेरा, दोस्त से मिलो. Middle term will be gram because on both the sides they have given gram. Clear? Now this is in kilogram. That means you are on kilogram. Hectogram, DA, decagram, decigram, centigram, milligram. You want to convert into the hectogram here. Multiply because you are moving forward by 1 0. Clear? So 1 kilogram is equals to 10 hectogram. Now 6.85 kilogram is equals to, you are going to multiply. So 6.85 को multiply करेंगे किससे? by 10. And now your answer will be in hectogram. You are multiplying by the power of 10. So according to Mr. DL, multiply में क्या करते हैं? You will shift decimal to the right place. कितने places right में shift करेंगे? One place, because you have only 1 0 here. So your decimal will shift to this place now. It will become 68.5 hectogram. Clear? Next one, centigram to decagram. So you want to convert the centigram to decagram. So firstly you should know the value of 1 centigram in terms of decagram. So call your friend. कहाँ है दोस्त मेरा, दोस्त से मिलो. Gram is the basic unit on both the sides. So this meter will be replaced by gram. Now this is kilogram, hectogram, decagram, decigram, centigram, milligram. You are on centigram. Centigram पर already है, that means centigram में value given है, and you are converting it into the decagram. Now decagram is here. That means you are moving backward. आप क्या कर रहे हैं? Backward move कर रहे हैं, वापस आ रहे हैं. In case of backward, you will divide. And with which number you will divide? 1 0 0 0 1000. जब भी division आ जाए, you will write here 1/1000. Clear? अगर multiplication आता तो आप क्या लिखते हैं? 1000. But division में क्या लिखेंगे? 1/1000. And this is in decagram. Now 7000 centigram is equals to 7000 upon 1000 decagram. Now you have two options. You can cancel out the zeros. It becomes 7 decagram, or you can put the decimal. Clear? In both the cases you will get the same answer. Next one, 8.95. Student, this is decimeter, dm, to the hectometer. You should know the value of 1 decimeter to find the value of 8.95 decimeter, right? So write 1 decimeter. Now write कहाँ है दोस्त मेरा, दोस्त से मिलो. Basic unit is meter, so middle unit will be meter. Now this is kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Value is given in decimeter. This is the decimeter. Don't get confused. This is decameter, DA, right? This is the decimeter, and you want to convert it into the hectometer here. So you are moving backward. So you will divide. With which number you will divide? 1 0 0 0 by the 1000. And division means 1/1000. And here we have hectometer. So 1 decimeter is equals to 1/1000 hectometer. Clear? You want to find the value of 8.95 decimeter is equals to 8.95/1000 hectometer. Now you are dividing by the power of 10. It means according to DL, Mr. DL, in division you will shift decimal point to the left. Decimal point कहाँ पर shift हो जाएगा? Left में shift हो जाएगा. How many places? 1 2 3, because 3 zeros are given here. 1 2 3. We will put decimal here. So what it becomes now? 0.00895, or you can write 0.00895. This is your answer. Next one, you want to convert this 5 liter 60 centiliter to the centiliter. If you observe, you want to convert it into the centiliter, but this is already in centiliter. अगर मैं बोलूँ 2 रुपीज़ को रुपीज़ में कन्वर्ट करो, ऑलरेडी रुपीज़ में है, नो नीड टू कन्वर्ट ना. तो सिमिलर हियर, ये तो ऑलरेडी सेंटीलीटर में है, सो इसको कन्वर्ट नहीं करेंगे. फर्स्टली यू विल कन्वर्ट दिस, एंड आफ्टर कन्वर्टिंग दिस इनटू द सेंटीलीटर यू विल ऐड दिस एट द एंड, राइट? सो कन्वर्ट हियर. 5 liter is given, so firstly you need to find the value of 1 liter in terms of centiliter. Centiliter में convert करना है ना. So call your friend. कहाँ है दोस्त मेरा, दोस्त से मिलो. Basic unit which is common in both the units is liter. So replace this middle m by the liter. Now this becomes kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. Clear? They have given in liters 5 liter. So you are on this point and you want to convert it into the centiliter. Where is centiliter? This. You are moving forward. So it means you will multiply by which number? 100, 100. So 1 liter is equals to 100 centiliter. 5 liter is equals to 5. You will multiply 100 centiliter. So this is 5 ones are 500 centiliter. Now as I said, you will add this part in it. 60 centiliter को इसमें क्या करेंगे? Add करेंगे. So what is your answer? Your answer is 560 centiliter. Now let's do one more part. Convert the 7760 centigram to the gram and centigram. जब आपको 2 यूनिट्स में चेंज करना हो तो आप फर्स्ट वाले यूनिट को चेक करिए. ग्राम. इट मीन्स सेंटीग्राम को आप ग्राम में चेंज करेंगे. क्लियर? सो टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ 7760 centigram in terms of gram, firstly you should know the value of 1 centigram in terms of gram. So call your friend. कहाँ है दोस्त मेरा, दोस्त से मिलो. Middle term will be gram now. So write gram. Now it becomes kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. Clear? They have given the value in terms of centigram. Where is centigram? This. And they are asking to convert it into the grams. Here. So you are moving backward. Opposite direction में जा रहा है. So you will divide. By which number you will divide? 100, 100. Right? Division means 1 upon 100. Gram. Clear? You are converting in the grams. So 7760 centigram is equals to 7760 upon 100 grams. Now you have 2 zeros in denominator, and as you have done in fraction, अगर हम 10 की पावर से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, डिनोमिनेटर में 2 zeros हैं, you will put the decimal before 2 digits. So we will put decimal 1, 2 here. Clear? So this will become 77.60 gram. This is your answer. So students, I hope this mnemonic will help you in the conversion. Practice as much as possible. Thank you. Have a good day.